Hello, guys. Welcome to our series all about creating an appointment website. Whatever your service business may be, Wix Bookings lets you effortlessly build your perfect appointment website. But before you jump into the building part, how about preparing the essentials first? So, to cut to the chase, here are the things you must prepare before diving to the Wix editor. Branding assets. Branding assets are essential elements that make your site recognizable and professional. Here are the branding assets you absolutely need to prepare. Your logo. You need your business logo ready to upload. Make sure you have a high resolution version and make sure to create at least two variations, one for a lighter background and another for a darker background. Your favicon, that tiny little icon that appears in the browser tab, it's a small detail, but it shows professionalism. Your colors. What are your primary brand colors? Know the exact hex codes so you can match your site's color scheme perfectly. Your typography. Choose one or two main fonts that match your business personality. Keep it simple and readable. You can actually use some from Wix, but if you have your very own files, then have them ready for uploading. Your media. You need a curated collection of high quality images. High quality photography means clear, well lit photos of your staff, your studio, or location, the people actively engaged in your services, and even sample photos of the services you offer. Avoid using stock photos as much as possible. Use your very own photos for more credibility. Services and pricing. You should have these details finalized. Make sure to prepare these info. Your service list. A final list of every appointment or class or service that you offer, along with a clear, concise, and enthusiastic one paragraph description for each. Your pricing structure. So document the exact prices for single sessions, packages if you offer them, etc., just depending on whatever it is you plan to offer. Moving on, we have staff details. Clients book people, not just time slots. So if that's the case for your business, make sure to introduce your team by preparing these essential things. Your staff headshots, which we already talked about, a professional, friendly photo of every staff member who takes bookings, their bios, a short, engaging bio for each staff member, highlighting their experience and specialties. This also builds trust. And of course, their availability. Have the precise weekly working hours for each staff member ready to input into the Wix bookings calendar. Next, page and section content. So decide what information your visitors must see and get that content written down. Identify your core pages. Make sure that you already know the pages you're going to need, say, for example, a home page, an About Us page or section, the services section, the Book Now page, etc. It's all up to you and what pages you'd like to add to your website. And of course, don't forget the section and page content. So draft the main headlines and introductory paragraphs for your homepage, as well as all of your other pages and sections. By the way, you can use AI if writing isn't really your thing. Jump into a trusted AI tool, give it your business description, and ask it to create a catchy headline or a professional mission statement for your About Us page, for example. As long as your prompt contains your original idea and as long as the output is still true to your original idea. This saves so much time and helps you create a cohesive content. Next, your privacy and policy. This is mandatory for professionalism and legal protection. Make sure to include your cancellation policy, refund policy, especially privacy policy. Be clear, fair, and firm, and make sure to include a statement explaining that you protect their data and won't share it. Once again, if you're having a hard time writing, just create a simple, direct to the point draft and then use an AI to further improve it, as long as all the main points are there. Next, we have facts, which is a huge time saver. Since this page answers questions before they hit your inbox, list the most common questions you expect to get from new clients. Write a clear, simple answer for each. And by the way, this isn't really one time. As you grow your site, you'll encounter more and more common questions along the way, which means you're going to have to always constantly update your facts page. And by completing this checklist, you are now completely ready to open Wix and build your appointment website in record time. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.